Dear students, today our topic is clinical repertory. Firstly, I want to go to the chapter of classification of repertories, in which we have already studied the classification, in which there is one part known as clinical repertory, which is further divided into three parts. First one is clinical repertory and its therapeutics. Second one is repertories which are based on particular part or particular disease, and the other one is repertory based on organs. In this part, we will be going towards the clinical repertory in general. The other two parts, which are considered in the category of regional repertories, will be studied further. In today's lecture, we will be studying about the clinical repertories, and generally there are two types of clinical repertories which are in practice nowadays. The first one is Dr. Clinical repertory by Dr. Borick, and the second one is by Dr. J.H. Clark. So first of all, we want to move toward the part clinical repertory. What is the exact meaning of the clinical repertory, and what is the clear-cut definition of clinical repertory? So about the definition of clinical repertory, clinical repertories are those repertories which contain clinical conditions, and these clinical conditions, they direct us to a particular group of remedies. So these clinical repertories facilitate selection of a remedy on the basis of pathology, causation, modalities, and concomitants. I just want to show you a part. I'm having a presentation on my laptop, so I will just show you a slide which represents clinical repertory, in which there are symptoms are mentioned, and in front of them remedies is mentioned.